If you're going to the most beautiful place on earth, Glacier, Montana, from Great Falls, you're gonna come up this road. Now on the way, there's a lot of really unique roadside attractions, if you will. The first one is actually right there behind me. That is Freezat Lake between Fairfield and Shoto. Okay, so we're out here at Freezat Lake. This is the first pull-in area. There's little roads that kind of go all over and wrap around through to the lake. But this is basically a big wildlife refuge, mostly birds, right?
Yeah, mostly migrating birds will kind of come through here. And
why?
Because this is a nice stop for water. And, you know, I mean, look.
So if you're coming through to Glacier, this is a cool first stop because if you're a bird watcher, it's a great bird watching area. But if you're into photography, there's probably some cool birds in this area that you might not see or be rare to see in a lot of other places. Would you say you're an expert on Freezat Lake?
Absolutely not. We're just stopping here. Just if you're on a vacation and you're rolling through and you're into birds, this may be a good stop for you.
Okay, so we're going to go down and look at some birds.
Hopefully.
Is there some birds out here?
We'll find out.
It's really hot out right now. So this time of the year, it's not actually the prettiest, but you can see this lake just kind of has a bunch of drainages that run everywhere, and there's birds of all sorts of different species in random places. So you could kind of walk out here. There's little sidewalks and paths. Really neat wildlife photography if that's your thing. So anyways, this is like a really cool first pull off on the road to Glacier. The next stop on the tour is Bynum, Montana. So this rock shop is super cool. The original owner, right?
Yep.
She discovered the duck-billed dinosaurs and their egg nests at Egg Mountain and the surrounding areas. This whole area is riddled with dinosaur finds.
They found a nest with eggs in it, so they knew that dinosaurs actually cared for their nests where most reptiles just lay eggs in and leave on. Yeah.
When you walk in, if you want a fossil sink, just right inside the doorway. Boom. Sink. I'm gonna buy that. $5.50. All right, so we're just leaving. Oh God, we're just leaving the rock shop. I bought a Kleenex box holder out of fossils. Very cool. My dad got a book. Long story short, this is the coolest rock shop in the United States, and it happens to be on the road to Glacier. So if you're coming up this way and you are any sort of rock hound, this is the place for you. Okay, right next to the rock shop is the, what?
The Montana Dinosaur.
The Montana Dinosaur Center. They just rebranded the name. And we're gonna get a tour.
My name is Bethany, I go by BK Bones.
That's on Instagram? Cool.
Yes.
And you're a paleontologist?
I am.
I'll follow you right now.
Educated.
Right here we have Maiasaura peoplesorum. This is the state fossil and the state dinosaur.
Which one is not real? I'm gonna say that one. It's a different color. The skull. It's the skull. Damn it! It's the skull. It's the skull.
Yeah.
Damn.
It's the skull.
We won.
Yeah, this is the first baby dinosaur that was ever discovered in the world. So not just a baby dinosaur, but the first one.
Okay, so we just got done in the museum. We just got like the VIP tour and it was amazing, super informative. So we're back on the road, heading to the next town, which is Depooyer. All right, well, we just made it to Depooyer. We're gonna head into the Buffalo Joe's and get ice cream. This is like the third attraction along the road to Glacier.
It's a really good restaurant too if you want food.
It's a really good restaurant too if you want food, but we're just gonna get ice cream because we're having food later in Glacier.
Yeah, we have an appointment.
We have an appointment.
Reservation.
A reservation. Want me to keep playing with Peter? No, I wouldn't do that. Ruining the fucking soap. All right, the ice cream is delicious. Next stop along the way to East Glacier, you enter the Blackfeet Indian Reservation. As you can see, I got this dope sculpture in front of it. So right here, we are officially entering the reservation. So if you're heading to Glacier National Park and doing a little sightseeing along the way, take Highway 89. There's a lot of cool attractions. You can do a little bird watching, stop in at Bynum to the rock shop, the Dinosaur Museum. There's active digs and research still going on. It's only $5 to go in the museum, so give them 10, 15, 20 bucks. They're privately funded only, no government funding, so it helps them out. Then head up to Depooyer, get yourself a nice dinner at Buffalo Joe's. If you're not hungry yet, get some ice cream. And then you've got a cool roadside attraction as you enter the Blackfeet Nation. And in Browning, there's actually a Native American museum as well. Very cool road on the way to Glacier. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did,